Okay, we're going to start our neurographic portraits with a black and white photocopy, and you're going to take just a pencil and fill the back of your photocopy with lead. What this is doing is creating a piece of tracing paper for you. So now we'll flip our paper, put it on our good thick mixed media paper. We'll tape our photocopy to the paper. I like to use painter's tape or masking tape, something nice and easy to remove. And we'll start tracing right over our photocopy. If your photocopy gets holes in it, no big deal. If your good paper, your mixed media paper does, kind of a big deal, so be careful. So I'll start tracing. I'm tracing everything very carefully. I want to make sure I'm getting the correct shapes. You can see I've started outlining and tracing shadows on my face. So make sure you get all those details. When you remove it, you can erase anything if you need to. I had to add the eye in, and it looks kind of silly because I pressed much harder than my tracing paper showed. Now I'm taking a black Sharpie and I will go over all my pencil lines. When I'm done with my black Sharpie, I've gone over all my pencil lines. What I'm going to do is, and I'm rotating between a thicker tip and a thinner tip to get a variation of thick lines and thin lines while I'm tracing. This will make my job easier in a little bit. While I'm tracing those, when I'm done tracing those, I'll use an eraser. I'll erase any pencil lines that I can see, and just to give it a smooth, clean finish. Now I'm going to start the neurographic process, which is anywhere there's a point in or a sharp edge, a harsh edge, I'm going to take that sharp edge and curve it out. So now I'm worried and focused on going through my self-portrait, and I am making kind of soft edges versus those harsh, sharp edges. So I can make some lines thicker, I can make some lines thinner, and I'm going to just keep going through and adding all those details to my self-portrait. I'll fill in shapes. I might be creating some new shapes. I might, again, as long as I'm taking away those harsh edges, my self-portrait will turn out amazing. So I'll keep working on that for a while. As we're finishing up all the fine details, you are going to have a complete neurographic portrait. When we're done